Good morning, folks. I hope you enjoyed the ferry ride from Vancouver. Welcome to Victoria, British Columbia. We have a lot to see today, so let's get this tour started. This historic landmark is the Fairmont Empress Hotel. Many famous guests have stayed here, from writers, kings and queens, to actors and actresses, to politicians.
Can you tell us when the hotel opened?
Yes, it opened in 1907.
Do you know how much a room costs for one night?
Well, the Empress is a luxury hotel, so a room should run over 300 Canadian dollars. This is the Royal British Columbia Museum. It contains a giant woolly mammoth and masks made by the first people who lived in this area, the Kwa-Kwa-Kwiwa.
Rita, can you tell me how late the museum is open?
Yeah, it's open until 5 p.m.
Thank you. Maybe we'll go there later.
This is Thunderbird Park. In 1941, these totem poles were actually set up outside the museum.
Excuse me, but can you tell us where the totem poles come from originally?
Yeah, they're from the people of the First Nations. That's the term we use in Canada for Indigenous people. The images represent animals and people, and they tell stories from history. Craigdarroch Castle was built in the 1890s. It has 4 floors and 39 rooms. It's famous for its stained glass windows.
What? What?
Oh, you're awake now.
Oh no, I guess I fell asleep. What time is it?
It's 1:15.
Oh no. My flight leaves at 3. I have to get back to Vancouver. Can you tell me how long it will take to get to the Vancouver airport from here?
Well, it's going to take a long time. You have to get back to the harbor and then get onto the ferry and then get back to the airport. So...
And can you tell me how long until the tour ends?
about 45 minutes to an hour from now.
Oh no. That's not enough time for me to make my flight.
This is Beacon Hill Park. The totem pole was carved in 1956 by a Kwa-Kwa-Kwiwa artist named Mongo Martin. It's actually the 4th tallest in the whole world.
Can you wait while we take some pictures?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Thanks. There's too many totem poles in this place. Hey, can you tell me when the next ferry for Vancouver leaves?
3 o'clock? Okay, here we are back at the ferry, and that concludes our tour of Victoria, BC. I hope that you guys enjoyed your tour, and we hope that you'll enjoy your stay while you are here in Victoria.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks.
No problem. Hey, listen, sorry you missed your flight.
Oh well. Since there's not enough time for me to make my flight, I'll just find a room in a cheap hotel and sleep. Oh. There's one. I'll just go there. Bye.
That's not